Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to silence a contact on iPhone without blocking the number. Go to your iPhone settings app and here scroll down and tap on focus and tap on do not disturb and here tap on people and here select silence notifications from and tap on add people. And now from your contact list, go ahead and select the specific contact or multiple contacts you want to silence incoming call and tap on done. And once you select it, and now allow calls from silenced people, you can enable this option and just tap on back. And now you have to open your control center and tap on focus mode and enable do not disturb mode. When the do not disturb focus mode enabled, now on you won't get any ringtone for incoming calls you selected here. So that's how we can silence any contact without blocking the number. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.